Food is more than just something we eat. It fuels our bodies, keeps us strong, and helps us stay healthy. But to get the most out of what we eat, we must focus on proper nutrition and good hygiene.
Welcome to NutritionTips, your go-to destination for personalized nutrition advice.
A balanced diet is key. Your body needs a mix of carbohydrates for energy, proteins for muscle growth, vitamins for immunity, and water to stay hydrated. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables gives you the vitamins and minerals needed to stay strong and prevent illness. But eating healthy isn't enough. We also need to keep our food clean. Washing hands before meals helps remove germs that can make us sick. Always rinse fruits and vegetables before eating, and cook meat thoroughly to kill harmful bacteria. Store food at the right temperature to prevent spoilage, and never eat food past its expiry date. Good nutrition and hygiene go hand in hand with a healthy lifestyle. Exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and avoid too much junk food for a happy, healthy life. Remember, taking care of what you eat and how you handle food can make all the difference in your health.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel by subscribing. You'll get access to daily diet plans, expert nutrition tips, and easy recipes that can transform your lifestyle. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for your personal guide to a healthier, happier you.